My biggest issue with horsemanship, with the horse industry, is the lack of education on fundamental things that seems to keep getting people hurt. Every time I tell somebody in the public that I'm a horse trainer, they say, oh, the last time I rode a horse and the time that they fell off. The horrible accident they had, the horse that bit them, the horse that struck them. There we go. All he has to do to pass this is flex one time in each side without moving his feet. And again, a lot of these gaited horses are just driven in a straight line down a track or down a road. And there we go. Good job, buddy. So just like that, he passes. Gives me one time to each side without moving his feet.